The Toyota 4.01UZ is a superb, slick, and dependable V8 engine that is incredibly difficult to match. This model may have been the most cutting-edge V8 at the time it was unveiled in 1989. Its hyper-eutectic pistons, 6-bolt main bearings, over-square aluminum block design, and steel rotating assembly not only make it sturdy from an engine dynamics standpoint, but also a smooth and predictable motor. As a result, it was the ideal engine for the groundbreaking luxury entry, the Lexus LS 400. The 1UZ evolved into a better state with later technological advancements like VVTi. The Toyota 4.0 V8 has a track record of being very dependable. There aren't many typical issues to report. The majority of the most important maintenance tasks for the 1UZ are standard across all engines. Due to the interference engine's many belt-driven accessories, it is crucial to take special care of the timing belt. Due to piston ring wear, high-mileage examples frequently have excessive oil consumption. Otherwise, the car will disintegrate around the engine if you don't maintain it. Due to its advantages, the 1UZ engine is a favorite among aftermarket and modification enthusiasts. The Toyota V8 has more than enough aftermarket support because it attracts so much attention. Performance cams and upgraded headers are common now modifications. Upgraded engine management systems and turbo kits are also excellent choices. Common problems. The Toyota 1UZ engine is incredibly dependable. Its design has very few inherent engine flaws. Similar to any other engine, the majority of the engine repairs you'll need to make are due to aging. This Toyota 4.0 V8 engine should last past the 300,000-mile mark if you keep up with maintenance. While the 1UZ is a quality engine with very few innate problems, there are some areas that need special attention. Since the timing belt drives not only the camshafts but also auxiliary components like the water pump and VVTi components, it is extremely important to keep up with timing belt maintenance. This engine is an interference one. Therefore, if the timing belt fails, the pistons may collide with the valves and cause significant harm. Other parts that are also driven by the belt may also sustain damage. The 1UZ requires a new timing belt every 60,000 miles. The only other significant issue is oil consumption. Everybody knows that 1UZ with a lot of miles burn oil excessively. On this Toyota 4.0 V8 engine, worn piston rings frequently cause excessive oil consumption by allowing oil to seep into the combustion chamber and burn off. The thick, black or bluish smoke coming from the exhaust is the most recognizable symptom that this is happening. In the end, the issues with the 1UZ engine described above are typical of almost all high-mileage engines. Your engine won't frequently leave you stranded as long as you keep up with routine engine maintenance. Frequently check the condition of your timing belt and use the recommended oil. Pros and cons. To summarize all we've mentioned above, here are some pros and cons of the Toyota 1UZ engine. Pros. It's a very well-designed and reasonably efficient motor for the liter size. 1UZ is incredibly durable and reliable, with each engine being blueprinted at factory production. A very smooth and quiet operating engine at stock with an outstanding smooth idle fee. The engine is strong and lightweight with features such as 6-bolt main bearings, belt-driven quad camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads and piston, and forged steel crankshaft and connecting rods. 1UZ with variable valve timing technology produces up to 300 horsepower and 310 pounds-ft of torque. Cons. The engine is over-square by design, which means it has a larger bore than stroke, resulting in less low-end torque and more high-end power. It also does not have hydraulic lifters, which means 1UZ periodic valve adjustment to maintain optimal performance. The engine has a complex ignition system that includes 2 distributors and 2 ignition coils, which can be expensive and difficult to maintain or replace. The engine has a high compression ratio, which means it requires premium fuel to avoid knocking or detonation. Hope the information was useful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.